Come test drive the 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, USB connection, fog lamps, electronic stability control, power door locks, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, leather, daytime running lights, alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.